Dear brothers and sisters, glad to meet you through Wellrace channel. Today I am going to talk about important 10 acupressure points for frequent and long hours mobile phone users, laptop and desktop users. Current tech savvy world, everyone in the world are forced to use mobile phone, laptop, desktop for day-to-day life of kids to old age people. During the pandemic period, most of the people are adapt sedentary lifestyle. Right from the kindergarten to higher level education are happening through online. BPO and IT sectors are connecting from home for more than 10 hours per day. In office also, mobile and desktop usage are dominating across the domain. Due to continuous and long hours usage of digital gadgets, people are, especially IT sector people are mostly affected by following ergonomic related diseases as follows: headache, neck pain, eye related problem, vision problem, frozen shoulder, headache, hand pain, stomach upset, back pain, for women's period issues, etc. In this video, I am going to talk about 10 acupressure points to solve all ergonomic problems of IT people and mobile users. By simple massage of these points daily once or twice, certainly your health will be rejuvenated and in turn you can perform better in your career life. All the points are taken from www.wellrace.in and Android applications AcuBest Care. You can refer these applications and refer my previous videos to know about how acupressure works and how to give massage. Now let us start the 10 acupressure points and its associated benefits in detail. Please watch till end of the video. First, lungs 07, LU07. In both hands, when you expand thumb finger, you can find a dip before the wrist. 1.5 inch from the dip on the same side of as shown in the picture. Otherwise, when you join both hands as shown in the picture, right after the point where index finger ends. This point helps to enhance the motor movement in wrist and heals wrist joint pain, and also this point helps to cure migraine pains and solve neck rigidity as well. Second, small intestine 13, SI 13. As shown in the picture, backside of the shoulder collarbone edge below the neck side. This point helps to cure stiffed neck, stress relief from eyes, cure red eyes, ringing sensation in eyes and glaucoma, and strengthen the arms. Third, urinary bladder 10, UB10 or BL10. Backside of the head, in the line of ears, you can find two dips at the joining of the neck and head. This point cures headache due to monitor radiation, brings good mobilization and blood circulations to head, flexibility in neck and shoulder muscle. Fourth, large intestine 9, LI09. As shown in the picture, when you bend your elbow 3 inch from the joint towards thumb finger. This point enhances energy flow to arms, shoulder. Also, it helps for constipation problems due to long sitting posture. Fifth, gallbladder 15, GB15. As shown in the picture, from the center of the eyes to above the upper side forehead. This point helps for many purposes, especially stress relief, activate brain function, cure headaches, secretes tears in eyes, creates lubrication in eyes, make you energetic. Sixth, gallbladder 16, GB16. As shown in the picture, straight from mid of eyes to head, 1.5 inch from your regular hairline to the top. This point cures headache, dizziness, brightens the eyes, regulates blood circulation to the head. Seventh, stomach 1, ST01. As shown in the picture, below the eyes, center of the bone and eye muscle merging point, there is a very small dip. Eyes are drained for late night IT workers and mobile users. This point helps to brighten the eyes and heals swelling and pain in the eyes. Stop eye dryness, helps for tears secretion, eye redness, likewise all sort of eye related problems. 8. Urinary bladder 56, UB56. As shown in the picture, back side of the knee center point to bottom side about 5 inches away. This point helps to get relief for back pain, constipation, piles related problems due to long sitting at one place. 9th, urinary bladder 32, UB32. As shown in the picture, right from the bottom to top, 1.5 inch of both sides of third spinal bone. This point helps to get relief from lower back pain, urinal problems, some sort of kidney problems. Especially women IT or mobile phone workers, this point helps to get relief from menstruation problems, whitish period, discharge and vaginal infections. 10. Stomach 36, ST36. As shown in the picture, outside of the leg, just below the knee bone, there is a projected bone. Just below dip of the projected bone, this point is one of the common and the best point to give complete wellness and vitality. This point helps to remove toxins from the body and purify the body. I have just suggested 10 key acupressure points for the benefit of all the IT workers and mobile phone users. Likewise, many valuable acupressure remedies are given in the Android applications Aku Best Care and web application www.wellrace.in. If you have any questions, please post in comment box. Please share this information to your friends, groups and IT or mobile users. Like and share, subscribe. Thank you so much for watching this video.